Hi everyone, my name is Asaf Traficant and I'm the creator of the Data Studio Auto Refresh Chrome extension. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to use the extension, but before that I want to say that this extension is 100% private and secured. It doesn't track, monitor or collect the data inside the reports. There is no server side for this extension and it works locally on your devices. Basically, I made it for myself as part of my services to my clients and decided to let it out for the community. So for the demo, I've created a 3-page report with some charts. So after you install the extension, if you already have a Data Studio report open, please reload the page so the extension can identify it as a Data Studio page. After the page reload, or when you open a new tab with a Data Studio report, click the extension icon to see all the features. Let's go through the options. The first toggle, once enabled, will refresh the current report based on the interval you choose. The minimum is 10 seconds. Please note that only users with edit permissions can refresh a report. So for view-only users, this extension just won't work. The refresh mechanism works even while editing the report, so keep in mind to disable this toggle when editing. Let's see how it works. So, taking the first toggle, 10 seconds, and let's wait 10 seconds. And you're going to see the blue ribbon on top. This is the one. Great. Now, sometimes your data refresh only once a day. So instead of setting interval in seconds, you can use the second toggle and set the time of the day you wish the extension to refresh the report. So now we can set it to 8 a.m. Also, please note that the time zone is your device time zone. Turning on the third toggle will loop through the pages on a specific report automatically based on an interval you set. Let's see how it works. Let's switch to view mode. Every 3 seconds I want the extension to loop between the pages. So let's move to the view mode and see how it works. So as you can see, it does the page 1, 2, 3 and goes back to the first one. Before I explain the next toggle, I'll tell you that each of these toggles saves the values you set per report. So each time you use the extension for a different report, you can set different intervals and the extension will remember the values. Now let's go to the last toggle, which simply loop through Chrome tabs that have open Data Studio reports. Now let's go to the last toggle, which simply loop through Chrome tabs that have open Data Studio reports. Using all these toggles together will let the extension to take control over many reports across many tabs, dealing with refresh and looping through the pages. That's it. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy the extension.